Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can sell tickets on Viagogo. So it's a very simple and straightforward process, and it's also free. So what you'll do is, first of all, you'll go on their homepage or an event page of theirs. From there, you'll select the sell option. Like in this page, you can see the sell option as well. What you'll do is you'll basically log in, or you can create a Viagogo account if you don't have one before. From there, you will find the event and choose the date. You'll see a variety of events that is supporting it, and you can choose the date for it as well. From there, you will follow its steps that it's going to show you of relevant information that you have to fill that caters the ticket that you're selling. If you don't know what kind of tickets you have, you can review listing tickets on Viagogo and different ways to deliver them. So you pick the right one that caters to you. That is completely up to you what you want to choose. After that, you will add a valid credit card since they require this to keep users safe, since they have a verification, a payment verification basically, and they use a valid credit card for that. From there, you will choose how to get paid if the tickets sell. From there, you can select a direct deposit. You will review the setting up direct deposit below, which we'll review right now if you're choosing that. And after that, you will select create listing and then you'll be done. Then it'll be set up, and from there, you'll be able to sell tickets. People will be able to be buying tickets from you. Now, let's say you've set up your direct deposit. So after listing your tickets, you'll select my tickets. From there, you'll go on their settings on the Viagogo app. You'll first go on the drop down menu to see it, by the way, and then you'll go on the payment tab, which is automatically opened. Under payment option for selling tickets, you'll see that option below. You'll choose add new payment method. From there, you'll see options where you'll have to choose the bank transfer option. You'll follow the steps to set up a direct deposit account to receive payments. And from there, you'll select the three dots next to the payment method you added, and then you'll set it as default since it remains as default. You'll select the default button. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.